brake job on a Nissan Altima. Just some of this. It's a 14 millimeter, and just take out these top two bolts. One back here. One back here. Remove that 14 millimeter. Remove the top. And boom, the whole caliper comes off. And set that right there. And we got access to the pads. Probably gonna need a flathead to pop it out from the top, then the bottom. These are the new pads with the clips. Definitely an easy swap. Do it yourself instead of paying a shop. Stand by. I said just with a flathead screwdriver, just make sure not to touch the rotor with the tip. Just let it rest on the back. Press that forward. Boom. Actually falls right out. This pad's not as bad as I thought. Her brakes are actually yelling, but I'm pretty sure it's the backs. Yep, so pop this out. Same steps for the other side. And replace the clips with the new clips. Make sure you pay attention on how they come out so you know how they go back in. That's it. Start up the video when I get to the rears. Now we at the back, same thing for the rear. Take out these two bolts, 14 millimeter. One at the top of the caliper, one at the bottom. And also, depending on how bad the pads is, you might need a caliper pressure to push this in if it don't fit with the new pads. Or if you don't have one, just use some vice grips. I mean channel locks. That always work. And here goes the pads. Literally like a 10-15 minute job. Just lightly press it. And it pops right out. And to my surprise, these aren't that bad neither. I just knew her brakes was gonna be down to the pads. Alright, and that's what I was talking about. If you try to put the new pads on and put the caliper back on and it doesn't fit, squeeze this, get it back flat, flush, go right on.